I had someone ask if these cutting boards are dishwasher safe. Well, they don't need to be dishwasher safe because you can't get one in the dishwasher. But still, made me kind of curious. So here's what I did. I cut up a cutting board and I'm going to put her in the dishwasher and see if it falls apart. I'm going to put one right here and I got this one right here. There, we'll put her through the cycle. I did these in the dishwasher because I had a question, is the cutting board dishwasher safe? And as I said before, it doesn't need to be because you can't get one in there. But I did cut this one up a little bit. This is how it would normally look, like this. No, it would look like this. And cut her through there and put her in the dishwasher to cook her down. Well, 2 cycles, hot, the hot and dry, the hot cycle with hot water and the hot dry cycle. The cutting board pieces seem to be really fine. What did happen, these boards got wet enough to expand this way a little bit. And so we have a little extra here. That should have forced the glue to release here, and it did not. In fact, it's very solid. I've been tapping and clicking on it. I don't want to get rough because I'm not ready to give up on it yet. I might give it another run through the dishwasher. But so far, everything is holding together pretty good. It would appear to me that they're using a water-resistant glue because most the water-resistant glue that I'm aware of is also food safe. And this glue on these pieces here appear, in my estimation, to be in really good shape. I'm gonna get rough on these things today and see if I can break them, and then what happens. So normally you're never going to get a breadboard that wet. I like to just put it in the sink like I showed you. I like to go over to the sink, stick it down in there and scrub it off and use it. I think that's good enough. And as I said also, I don't use mineral oil. Not a bad idea, I suppose, but I just don't do it. Nice cutting boards. I want to see if these are, if this is going to break on the glue line or not. I'm hoping it doesn't. Diane, brace yourself for some noise. So I'm going to test this to see if I can break it on the glue line. I'm actually going to try to. I'm going to try to break it right on the glue line. That's the plan here. Well, I'm telling you what, that ain't working. Let's try it one more time. Finally. So now this is a good sign. This it did not break on the glue line at all. It broke right down the middle of this piece of wood. The glue line is here, right there. And there's another glue line right here. So it broke in between. I think you can trust these cutting boards.